Last time we have started exercise 1.1 and we have done first term. Right? In this case, we want to check that the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not. Here in second sum, they are given R is relation on n, where n is set of natural numbers and R is equal to set of all x, y, right? Y is equal to x plus 4, x plus 5, x is less than 4. Right here the set is given capital N. This x and y all are natural numbers. Right? And this relation is given in set builder form. First of all, we will write our by listing method. When x is 1, y is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. When x is 2, y is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. X is 3, right, y is 8. And we are not able to put x is equal to 4 because x is less than 4. Right? Now, here R consists 3 ordered pairs. Now, when a relation is reflexive, for every A belongs to capital A, right? Order pair A should belong to R. Here, 1 belongs to capital N and 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Here 1, 6 belong to R, but 6, 1 does not belong to R. Means R is not symmetric. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Now, when the relation is transitive, when there are this type of pairs, right? When B, your first element, second, A, B and B, C form. In this case, in this relation, there are no two ordered pairs of this form. Here 6, there is no first element in the ordered pair 6. Right? 2 is not first element. Therefore, here is, right, here there are not ordered pairs of the form AB and BC belong to R, right? Therefore, R is transitive. Remember this point here. When we want to say that a function is not transitive, we have to find out such ordered pairs in R where AC does not belong to R. But if there are no such ordered pairs in R, in that case also we say that function is transitive. We are not able to say that a function is not transitive. When it is not transitive, when in such ordered pairs AC does not belong to R. Right? Now, in third, R is relation in the set A and R is equal to set of all x, y, where y is divisible by x. Means when xy belongs to R, when y is divisible by x or x divides y, right? Here, naturally 1 is divisible by 1, therefore 1 belongs to R, 2 belongs to R, 3 belongs to R, 4 belongs to R, 5 belongs to R, 6 belongs to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. Right? Now here, two 4 belongs to R because 4 is divisible by 2. 4 belongs to R and 4 is divisible by 2. But 4 does not belong to R because 4 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now, when a function is transitive for such ordered pairs AB and BC, right? AC belongs to R. Here, for AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, right? This implies B is divisible by A and C is divisible by B. Now here B is divisible by A. B is divisible by A, therefore B is equal to AM. C is divisible by B, therefore C is equal to BN for some M, N belong to capital N. Therefore, C is equal to, put the value of B here, right? AMN. Right? Therefore, C is divisible by A, right? And Mn belongs to capital N. This implies AC belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Right? Now, four. The relation R is in the set N, in the set Z of all integers where R is equal to xy, where x minus y is integer. So this is very simple example. You are very easily do it by yourself. Even I will just explain here ordered by xx, where x minus x is 0 is integer, means for every x belongs to, right, a z, xx belongs to R, means reflexive. When ordered where xy belongs to R means x minus y is integer, then y minus x is also integer, means yx belongs to R. Therefore, the relation is symmetric. Now, if xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R, means x minus y is integer, y minus z is integer, therefore x minus z is integer, then this relation is transitive. This relation is an equivalence relation. In that 5, here relation R is in the set A, where A is human being, belongs to a town in a particular time, where R is set of ordered pairs xy, where x and y work at the same place. Here, what is A? Here, x and y are all humans, right, belonging to a town in a particular time. This is given here, right? Now, naturally, when xy belong to R, when x and y work at the same place, naturally, xx belongs to R because x and x works at the same place, right? xy belongs to R means x and y work at the same place, then yx also belong to R, because when x and y works at the same place, y and x also works at the same place, means the relation is symmetric. Here the relation is reflexive. When xy belong to R, yz belong to R, that means x and y work at the same place, y and z work at the same place, therefore naturally x and z work at the same place, means x z belong to R. Means the relation is transitive, right? Means here this relation is equivalence relation because it is symmetric, reflexive and transitive. Then C is 30. R is equal to xy, where x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Right? When xy belongs to R, means when x is right taller than y by 7 centimeter, then naturally x is not taller than x. X is not taller than x, means xx does not belong to R for every x. Therefore, R is not a reflexive. Now, when xy belongs to R, that means what x is 7 centimeter taller than y. Then naturally y is not taller than x, right? Means yx does not belong to R. That means the relation is not symmetric. Now, if xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R, that means x is 7 centimeter taller than y is 7 centimeter taller than z, then naturally x is 14 centimeter taller than z, means x is not 7 centimeter taller than that, right? Then Xj does not belong to R, therefore R is not transitive. Next one is R is equal to xy, where x is wife of y. Means when xy belongs to R, when x is wife of y. Naturally, xx does not belong to R. Why? Because x is not wife of x. Therefore, right, xx does not belong to R because x is not wife of x. Right? Therefore, R is not reflexive. When xy belongs to R, means x is wife of y, then naturally y is husband of x. Means when xy belongs to R, naturally yx does not belong to R because here y is not wife of x. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Now here xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R, not possible. Why? Because when x is wife of y, means y and y is wife of z, this is not possible. Because when x is wife of y, naturally y is male, and male is not wife of anybody. Means naturally such ordered pairs are not there. When a relation is transitive, if we can get such ordered pairs, and then AC belongs to R for every such two ordered pair, then the relation is transitive. But if it is not possible to get such ordered pairs, then also relation is transitive. Here we are not able to get such ordered pairs, therefore R is transitive. This relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, but it is transitive. Now, question number 2. Show that the relation R in the set R. Here, relation R is in the set of real numbers. This here A is equal to R. And R is set of ordered pairs AB. A is less than or equal to B square. Is neither reflexive, nor symmetric, nor transitive. Means we want to show that this relation is not reflexive, not symmetric, and not transitive. Now, when this relation is reflexive, where A is always less than, when AB belongs to R, when A is less than or equal to B square, right? Means when A belongs to R, when A is less than or equal to A square, right? But we know that 2 is not less than or equal to square. Therefore, 2 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not, my mistake here. Because when the number, when A is less than or equal to A square, when A is less than or equal to A square, when A is greater than or equal to 1. When A is negative, right, in that case this is always true. But when A is the number in between 0 and 1, when A is the number in between 0 and 1, then A is not less than A square. Means here we will take A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Does not belong to R. Why? And 1 by 2 square less than or equal to 2, right? Less than or equal to 2 is not.
right? Here 1 by 2 and this number is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Right? Therefore, this relation is not reflexive. Right? Means for to show that the relation is not reflexive, we can find at least one such ordered pair which is not in the relation R. We have to find out at least one ordered pair, and we know that, right? 1 by 2, here A is 1 by 2, right? B is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to B square. B square means 1 by 2 square, right? Therefore, this relation is not reflexive. Now we want to check that this relation is symmetric or not. When it is symmetric, when AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. Right? Now if here we know that 2, 3 belong to R because 2 is less than or equal to 9, 3 square. But 3, 2. Here let me write 1, 3. 1, 3 belongs to R because 1 is less than or equal to 3 square. Right? But 3, 1 does not belong to R. Right? And 3 is less than or equal to 1 square is not true. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Now we want to think about transitivity, right? For transitivity, right, we have to find out such two ordered pairs. For every such two ordered pairs, AC should belong to R. Right? When not transitive, we find out two ordered pairs where AC does not belong to R. Now here I will take one ordered pair. Here 4 square, sorry. Because A is less than or equal to 3 square, three 1 3 2 belong to R and 3 is less than or equal to 2 square. But 8 2 does not belong to R and 8 less than or equal to 2 square is not true. Therefore, R is not transitive. In such example, we have to find out such ordered pair which, right, do not follow this.